Science camps are organized in Govardhan Eco Village, and students are encouraged to participate in this 2-day event. The purpose of these camps is to give maximum exposure to the tribal students and reduce the disparity of access to technology in comparison to urban students. Now, let us look at a few technologies that we have introduced in our camps. Foldscope, invented by Indian scientist Manu Prakash, is a portable, economical, waterproof microscope that allows visualization of tiny things like bacteria and microorganisms, as well as larger samples like insects, plants, fabrics, and tissues. This $1 microscope is made of paper and a lens, and students get the chance to assemble it. The process of putting it together itself is a real learning curve for the students. Next, we have the laser alarm security. Our teachers introduce the students to circuit diagrams where they understand the functions of a transistor as well as the functions of the light detecting resistor, an LDR. Students put together a circuitry which detects when the light falls on a sensor and the alarm starts to beep. Next, we have the line follower robot. This technology uses the aid of an Arduino microcontroller. Students become aware of such purposes of microcontrollers. Assembling the line follower robot from scratch, students get hands-on experience in how to construct an interesting technological miracle. Students are also allowed to play with the robot, understanding how sensors work and how the importance of its connection to voltage and current supplies in the right order. Similarly, other devices which use the Arduino microcontroller are also shared with the students. For example, here is a blinking device where the students, by manipulating the control of the Arduino, can actually control the blink rate of the LED. Thus, they get to understand how actually the microcontroller functions. For nearly all of the students, this is the first time they are handling a protoboard connected to a computer, and such an exposure to technology is definitely beneficial for them. Besides just electronics, we also introduce the students to some mechanical technologies like building their own robotic car. Here the students are exposed to important factors of movement like rotation of the wheels and axle alignment of their vehicle. While students in the cities may have flown their own drones or even own their own drones, children here in the tribal belt of Palghar have hardly even seen or understand how one works. In our camps, we want to give them the chance to actually experience making their own drones as well as flying them. With the aid of a microcontroller, students understand its purpose and also start to think on various applications of this technology.